Good morning, kids. Hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Hope all of you are doing your homework regularly because it will help you to understand new concepts. Okay, so on Wednesday, I sent you few videos to learn comparison of numbers, forming greatest and smallest numbers, expanded form of place values, arrange the numbers in ascending order, and arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, so remaining topics as well as those topics we are going to cover in this lecture. So today let's learn numbers before, after and between, place value, expanded form of place value, ascending and descending order of numbers, forming greatest and smallest numbers. The concept of numbers before and after we have seen in the first lecture. Okay, so do you remember this number line from the first lecture? Very good. So here we are going to consider two examples. In the first example, that is number 243, you will look for the number in ones place. That is number 3. Very good. To get the number before and after of this 243, we are going to consider only ones place value. Okay. So now look at the number line. Which number is there before 3? 2. Very good. Hence, to get the number before 243, we will change its ones place value from 3 to 2. Very good. So, we find the answer for the number before is 242. Very good. Similarly, for after number, we will look for the number after 3 on the number line. That is 4. Very good. So, therefore, we will write answer for the after number 244. Very good. Now, in the next example, that is number 320, there's 0 in ones place. So, we will consider last 2-digit numbers, that is ones place as well as tens place. That is number 20. Now you can easily write the number before 20. What is the number before 20? 19. So therefore our before number of 320 will be 319 and number after 20 is 21. So therefore our after number of 320 will become 321. On this slide, we are going to see how to find the numbers in between. To find the number between 343 and 345 is look for the ones place numbers, that is 3 and 5. And now observe number line. Which number is there between 3 and 5? That is 4. Therefore, number in between is 344. You can solve the next example. Here on the slide, we are going to see place value. Now look at the abacus on the right side. Can you tell me how many bits are there on the hundreds place? 4. How many bits are there on the tens place? 6. And how many bits are there on the ones place? 7. So therefore, we can say there are 4 hundreds, 6 tens and 7 ones. So the number will be 467. Now the place value of 4 in 467 is 4 hundredths, or we can say 400. Place value of 6 in 467 is 6 tenths or 60. Now, place value of 7 in 467 is 7 ones or 7. Now, always remember The place of digit in number decide the place value of the digit in that number. So therefore, same digit can have different place values. Here we will see expanded form. Expanded form tells us how many hundreds, tens and ones are there in a number. Look at the number 643. So here you can see at hundreds place there is 6, at tens place there is 4 and at ones place there is 3. Therefore, place value of 3 in 643 is 3 ones. Place value of 4 in 643 is 40, that is 4 tens, and place value of 6 in 643 is 600, that is 6 hundreds. Therefore, we can say 643 is equal to 6 hundreds, 4 tens and 3 ones. We can also write it as 643 is equal to 600 plus 40 plus 3, which will give us 643. Okay, this is called as the expanded form of the 643. Here on the slide, we are going to see comparison of numbers. So you must remember, for the comparison of numbers, we use three signs: greater than sign, less than sign, and is equal to sign. The number with greater number of digits is always greater. Okay, that is, if in this example 121 will always be greater than 99, right? Or we also can say 99 is less than 121. Okay, the number with greater number of hundreds is greater. That means in example 440 will be greater than 331. Here 400s are greater than 300s. Okay, if the digit at hundreds place are same, then the number with greater digit at tens place is always greater. For example, 287 is greater than 253. Here, 8 tens are greater than 5 tens. Okay, if the digits at the hundred place and tens places are same, the number with greater digit at ones place is greater. To understand this, take an example: 559 is greater than 554. So here 9 ones are greater than 4 ones. Okay, if the digits at hundreds, tens and ones places are same, the number will always be equal. For example, 883 is equal to 883. So from this slide, you have to remember these 5 points. Okay. You can easily tell me ascending and descending order in numbers because you must have seen the video, right? So ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest, and descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. So let us arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order: 723, 159, 621, 395, 128. Arranging the numbers according to hundreds, then tens, and finally ones place, we get, you can see the numbers in ascending order as well as in the descending order. Okay. Here on this slide, we are going to form greatest and smallest numbers from the given digits. Here, let us take the digits 1, 4 and 7. Let us form all possible 3-digit numbers using these digits without repeating any digit. Remember, without repeating any digit. Okay. So we can form 147, 174, 417, 471, 714, 741. So from all these numbers, the smallest number formed is 147 and the greatest number formed is 741. So always remember, 0 is not written in the hundreds place of a 3-digit number. Facts to remember, 10 ones is equal to 110 and 10 tens is equal to 100. The place of a digit in the number decides the place value of the digit in that number. The sum of the place values of the digits is the expanded form of the number. That is, 439 is equal to 400 plus 30 plus 9. This is the expanded form. Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. Descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. You must have done your homework, that is, write numbers from 100 to 500. Here you will write the numbers from 500 to 1000 up till here. And here we have completed our chapter, that is numbers up to 1000. And next you can solve the exercise. Thank you. Here we have completed our chapter, that is numbers up to 1000. Now you can solve the exercise. Thank you.